Bartender killed while eating Sunday dinner. Man gunned down in Manchester. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A 54-year-old bartender was shot and killed in his yard by a lone gunman while he was having his dinner on Sunday, May 26. Dead is Christopher Brown, a resident of St. Mary. Reports are that around 9:22 p.m., Brown was sitting on his veranda at White River in the vicinity of the farmers market in St. Mary, eating dinner when a car stopped on the roadway and a lone gunman alighted from it. The gunman reportedly entered Brown's yard and opened fire, hitting him all over his body. Brown ran into his house where he collapsed. The gunman then escaped. The police were called in and Brown was taken to the Port Maria Hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive for the killing has been established. Investigation continues. Police are probing the murder of a man in Georges Valley, Manchester on Sunday night. Police named the man as Carlton Lewis, 53, a resident of Woodlawn Heights, Georges Valley in the parish. Police reported stated that about 8:15 p.m., residents heard loud explosions and subsequently saw Lewis suffering from what appeared to be gunshot wounds on a roadway in the community. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Manchester has recorded 15 murders since the start of the year.